Enough is enough. There's no need to struggle so much in life. There is no need to make 2021 dramatic. I think we all had enough drama in 2020. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, you can find videos all about self-empowerment and self-development on a mental, emotional, and spiritual level. So if you enjoy these kind of videos, please subscribe. I make new videos every week. Today, I am discussing the law of detachment, such an important universal law. The law of detachment basically states that in order to get anything we want, we have to relinquish attachment. Please note that giving up attachment does not mean you are giving up on your goal or your intention to get anything you want. Now, the reason you can get anything you want through detachment is because it implies that you have unquestioning faith, you have unquestioning belief and trust that you will get whatever it is you want. Attachment is based on insecurity and fear, which is literally the opposite of detachment. When you are attached to something or even someone, let's say, it implies a poverty consciousness. We feel fear and we feel helpless. Overall, this mindset or emotion doesn't feel good, and honestly, it just keeps us in a negative space. And frankly, it gets in our way more than anything else. When you are in a place of detachment, this implies a wealth consciousness. Another element of detachment is getting what you want with the least amount of effort. Attachment to something or someone will always create insecurity. This also includes money, by the way. Security and certainty is attachment to the known. The known is a type of prison and it keeps us greatly limited because there is no room for growth. Uncertainty encompasses creativity and freedom because you are not locked down to a certain perspective. The unknown is the field of possibilities, infinite possibilities. Release attachment to the known and step into the unknown. This is where all the field of possibilities exist. This includes excitement, adventure, magic, and so many more things. Be flexible when it comes to your intentions. Be open to the infinite amount of possibilities. When we are attached, we really are tunnel visioned in a way. We are not tapping into all of the many possibilities that exist. So it's about trusting the process, knowing what we are going after in our lives, but at the same time, having that flexibility and that trust in detachment where we are open to other options, something bigger or better that we literally would be closed off to if we were simply attached to our original intention or goal. Life is so abundant and really offers so many options, so many more that we have in our conscious awareness. So we might as well release attachment, step into the power of detachment, and allow the universe to take the wheel, so to speak. Please remember that the law of detachment will not block your goals in any way. It will make things flow more seamlessly. It will be more effortless to accomplish your goals or get whatever it is you want in your life. I will say this, when challenges present themselves along the way, because ultimately this is life and not every single day is going to be perfect. What's really powerful about this law when we are coming from a state of detachment is that when anything problematic or anything unexpected does arise, we see a benefit behind that problem or that unexpected thing. We are no longer going into this victim mentality or just kind of dwelling in negative emotions and thoughts. We are so detached that we are just able to go with the flow and handle whatever comes our way. This is so much more powerful and so much more beneficial. We just do what we have to do, and we still maintain our trust in the universe. We still maintain a detached state. It's very different. If anything, attachment will probably cause more problems, more tension overall, more negativity along the way, because attachment implies an element of fear, it implies an element of worry. You're not fully believing that you can accomplish that particular goal or get the particular thing that you want. Otherwise, you wouldn't have attachment. You would be more in a flow state. You would feel more calm and at ease. And feeling peaceful, feeling at ease is so powerful. And the law of detachment helps us to tap into powerful, high vibration emotions that literally will also attract what we want, simply because we are feeling good and we are not letting negative emotions repel what we want and make our life so much more challenging, as negative emotions tend to do. See how much more enjoyable your day is. Really, there are so many benefits, but you have to try this for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Actually practice this law. Practice being in a detached state. You literally have nothing to lose and only amazing benefits to gain. Being attached to a particular thing or a particular person is not the solution. From experience, it is just much more repelling. It's gonna make life so much more complicated. We have a choice in the matter. Don't do it. Don't be attached to anything or anyone. I don't recommend it. I don't care if you have like the biggest crush on someone and you are like obsessed with them and you can't wait to be with them or whatever. Like, drop that. It's not helping you. If you were to be detached, I bet he would call you right away. I'm just kidding. I don't know this for a fact, but the point is, from being attached to being detached, we need to make this shift. It is amazing. It is next level stuff. And yeah, enough is enough. There's no need to struggle so much in life. There is no need to make 2021 dramatic. I think we all had enough drama in 2020. This is the moral of the story. From attachment to detachment. Remember this. Know this. Do this. Live this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it.